Hey. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vlog. How's everybody doing on this gorgeous Monday? Oh, that's right. It's a Monday. I've been off for about 11 days straight, so I feel like I've never been to work before in my life. Good bananas. What's going on? You know? And I feel like I haven't recorded a vlog in a while. So, really, bro? What the hell is that about? People are just driving like I'm riding, which is kind of crazy. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going back to work. I got so much shit to do. It's kind of sickening. Because not only do I have a lot of just like regular work, we just hired a bunch of new people, so I got to set a bunch of people up, and then I got to get ready for an audit, because we have an annual audit. Our company gets a lot of funding, and for that we have to have an annual audit, and me being the main finance person, I'm responsible for providing all the information for the audit. So it's a bitch. It's a week or two long process. Anyway, now that I've said all that out loud, I'm feeling depressed. No, I'm kidding. It's fine. It's gonna be all right. Today is just gonna be a head down, fucking getting stuff done, working, being productive, no BS kind of day. But that's because for this whole summer, I feel like, for the last few days certainly, and then a couple other weeks in the summer, and then every damn weekend, I've been riding. I've been going places. I've been going out of town. I've been exploring this great country, and it's been pretty fucking awesome. I'm gonna be the first to admit it. So I feel pretty blessed. And one thing people always seem to ask me, because I'm always riding here, there, and everywhere, people always seem to ask me, how do I plan these rides, and how do I know where to go and where to stay, and you know, all of that. Darn, I was going to pass this person. Oh, forgot to rev match. Damn it. You know, from now on, I'm going to rev match all the time, because people are not buying my excuse that I don't rev match because I like the way my bike sounds. I'm going to rev match. Anyway, so how do I pick these destinations? How do I get ready? You know, how do I know how much time I need? All of those questions always come up. And long story short, and short answer to all of that, I don't plan a goddamn thing. I've pioneered this method of adventuring and riding where I just go for it. I basically know the destination I'm trying to get to, okay? I know where I want to go, what I want to see. And then I also know that I've done 500 miles in a day before, which is a fuck ton. And I don't particularly on this bike right here, because I mean, on some bikes 500 miles is like whatever, you know, but on this bike it's quite a bit. So I actually, so yeah, knowing that I know the kind of distance I can cover. So say if like somewhere we're going, like if the round trip ride is going to be 2,000 miles, I know I will need at least 4 days, 5 days to make it comfortable, 6 days to make it fun, because I'm going to do about 400 miles a day realistically, and that's stopping a million times here, there, and everywhere. Because when I'm traveling, when I'm touring, like, unless not very, oh, something's going on, 2 fire trucks, good bananas. But not often do I like tour and travel where I have like a hard cutoff deadline to make, you know, like, oh my god, I have to make it to XYZ by this date. Sometimes it's like that, but usually not. So that's why I can afford to stop. Plus I know how much miles I'm doing, how many miles I got to go, but I really prefer to stop 35 times in all sorts of spots, take a look at all sorts of stuff, you know, take a look at little rivers, lakes. That's my favorite. Little spots, little parking spots. I'm gonna try to get behind those fire trucks, because that would be so nice, because they're kind of moving. So that's that. And the other part is that I never ever never book anything. I kind of want to be behind the trucks, you son of a bitch, because I want to see the trucks, not this Thai food kitchen bastard. What are they doing? Oh, ladies and gents, welcome back. Sorry, we had a little interruption in the middle of the vlog. My camera died, and yeah, I was in the middle of something a little juicy, so I decided to follow this up. I don't normally do this because, you know, I like to record a whole vlog in one bang, but once in a while you gotta change this up. So where was I? I think I was talking about traveling, picking destinations, how do I figure it out, and all that. And when the camera terribly died, I was talking about picking hotel rooms and places to stay. And it's also hard to do it in this traffic with one car in front of me. I'm just not feeling it on this little bit of a rainy feeling day. Anyway, so long story short, how does one pick hotel rooms, and how does one pick places to stay and towns to visit? I don't book anything. I have this theory where, well, the thing is, it's like when I go on these rides, it's as much about riding as it is about staying somewhere. So it's not really like a destination ride kind of thing. It's more of a let's see what's along the way. And always around 4 or 5 p.m. that's when I start looking for a place. That's when I start looking for a place, because at that point I have about like another hour that I want to ride, maybe half. And you know, you want to find a place to chill at. So that's that. Ooh, it was like some tour buses down there, fancy. Gonna get in front of everybody. I don't think anybody's gonna be too upset, but you never know. Famous last words. It's like probably Popo viciously waiting for me to fucking make this mistake. So yeah, I don't. Ooh, that bike is all fucking stripped over there. The headlight is missing. Ouch. I wonder what the bike is. I'm not sure. Can't tell from here. See over there? And yeah, I lost my fire for this topic, which is unfortunate, of course. Come on, buddy. Why do these people do that? Side by side driving. So yeah, to finish that goddamn topic, I'm sorry it took me like 10 minutes to talk about nothing, but I don't pick a place. I just kind of look around, and then I search on. I used to stay in motels and hotels, but over the last year or two, I started staying in Airbnbs. Because it's the same amount of money, and you get your own house. You get like a private little spot, which is kind of dope, which is kind of nice. Plus you get to like experience, when I ride, it's all about like experience in other places, other locations. And when you're staying at somebody's house or in some cabin in the middle of nowhere somewhere, you get to feel that location so much better as opposed to staying in some fucking random hotel, you know. And on Airbnb you can actually book campsites and little cabin, cottages, whatever, everything. What's going on there, bro? What are you doing? Good Lord. Good Lord. And you get to see the area. That's the beauty of it. You know, it's just like, I mean, everything I'm saying goes without saying. Obviously, when you're booking a random hotel, you're just staying at a random hotel. The next topic would be, oh man, this traffic is sucky. But next topic is what to bring, you know? What jewels does one bring when he goes to these spots? Oh my God, I'm gonna have to lane split. I'm gonna have to lane split the whole time. Fucking terrible squid. So, to continue our vlog after a little bit of splitting, what do you bring on long trips? Whatever the hell you want. I always bring a few basic things, you know, like you bring some tools, you bring some you know, fuses, freaking little plug kit, and this, that, and the third. Nothing too crazy. You bring your rain gear, you know. Lately I've been bringing my iPad so I can have a little bit of entertainment, you know, late at night. But beyond that, you don't need much. Obviously, depending on how much you like to change your clothes, you bring a little bit of clothes. I like to do what I call a scumbag style, where I basically wear the same shit all the time. And yeah, and that way you don't have to bring a lot of clothes. Look at these folks. Look at these folks being selfish and turn off light. So I like to pack light, so that way the less you bring, the less you have to carry around, you know, the less you have to strap to your bike. Just better all around. And you also have to determine, because I used to like bring my drone too, but nah. You also have to determine who you're going with. That's sometimes even almost a harder question, because I always end up going with people. I always end up like planning these trips by myself, and then in the end I end up going with people. And the people you go with better be quality people. And no, I mean, the people are on the same page. People want to ride as much as you do, and you know, all that. And unfortunately, these like dual vlog things don't work, because I was all fired up. I had topics planned out, and now I feel like things are falling apart. I feel like I can't remember what I was going to talk about, but it's nice to be back in the vlogging in the city. A million vlogs in the country. It's nice to have a city vlog, you know. A little New York City, a little Brooklyn vlog. Hey, why not? Little stop sign here. Today's Tuesday, so that's cool. Park on a Wednesday spot. It's not even a big deal. Not the biggest deal ever. Yo, what's going on? That dude is looking for a parking spot. Son of a bitch. It's competition. And that's Tuesday, so I'm definitely not stopping there. There we go. I think I'm gonna go to ooh. So bumpy over here. The tour of the bumpies. Crazy obstacles around here. Crazy obstacles. Alright, we'll park on this block here. This seems like a good hot ticket. Or no ticket, I should say. Let's see if there's something closer. But this will do. This will certainly do. Ooh, this fucking stupid Revel is here. A piece of shit. Alright. This is perfect. Perfect little spot. Alright, look at that guy. Haha. I took a spot from him. I beat him in his own race. Still circling the block looking for parking. Alright kids, I shall talk to you later, okay?